So this is how you take apart the handpiece for the Vet Pump 2. You would push both buttons down and then press in this little metal release button. That opens the guillotines so that you can open or pull these tubes out. Then underneath there's a button that you push to release the black tube. Once apart, you can take these tubes off, and then also these two ends unscrew. I'm not going to unscrew them now. When you go to put it back together, you want to push the tubes in. It doesn't matter which side they go to. And then when you go to put this together, this blue dot matches up with the side that the blue tube is on. So in this case, I'm gonna have to flip this over, put this on, and then slide the tubes underneath these guillotines, because that's what shuts the tubes on and off. And then you'll click it into place. Once it's in place and the tubes are underneath the guillotines, go ahead and press these buttons, and that releases that hold, and the guillotines are now closed. If you go to use it and you actually want this on this side, it is actually unscrewable, and you can take that off, take this off, and then put them on the other side. Be careful not to lose this piece. Sometimes people leave it on a piece of equipment, and now you can use it again.